Pickling has been around for over 4,000 years. People have loved turning veggies into tasty treasures. From ancient Mesopotamia to your kitchen, pickles traveled the world, spreading crunch and tang. A secret to crispy pickles? Keep that crunch. Try cold water soaking or adding grape leaves for that perfect snap. No one likes soggy pickles, so a little salt and patience go a long way to keep them firm and fun. Pickles come in all shapes and flavors, from sour to sweet, spicy to mild. And did you know? The crunchier the pickle, the happier your taste buds. Fresh herbs, garlic, and just the right salt are the pickle's best friends. They bring flavor and zing to the party. Ready to dive into the world of pickles? Let's start where it all begins, in the field. First up, cucumbers thrive in warm sun and rich soil, nature's perfect gift for pickling magic. Planting those tiny seeds carefully ensures a crunchy harvest, precision farming at its finest. Sprouting young cucumbers peek through the soil, ready to soak up all that sunshine. Morning dew and a gentle watering keep the cukes happy and hydrated. Cucumbers grow fast, climbing and curling. Soon, it's harvest time. Hand-picked at the perfect size, these cucumbers are the stars of the pickle show. Fresh from the field, they're rushed to the factory. Time is crunch time. Here, the cucumbers get a spot washed thoroughly in sparkling clean water. Sliced or whole, each cucumber is perfectly prepared, no soggy surprises here. Salt, vinegar, spices, the pickle party starters, are mixed in with care and precision. The cucumbers soak in brine, absorbing flavors and getting that irresistible tang. Dill, garlic, and chili give each jar its unique zing, a flavor punch for every pickle lover. Then, pack tight in sparkling glass jars, preserving freshness and crunch. Careful fermentation or steaming locks in that perfect balance of sour and crunch. Modern machines seal each jar, labeling them with care and style for your pantry. Jars line up on conveyor belts, ready to roll out to eager pickle fans everywhere. Quality control pros double-check every jar, making sure only the crunchiest pickles leave the factory. Packed tight and wrapped with care, these pickles are set for their journey. Refrigerated trucks keep the pickles cool as they travel to stores and markets. Arriving fresh and ready, pickles take their place on shelves nationwide. Shoppers eagerly reach for shiny jars of pickles, glowing bright on vibrant store shelves. Nearby, butcher shops proudly display pickles, perfectly paired with fresh cuts of colorful meats. In frosty freezers, chilled packs lock in every crunch and burst of pickle flavor. Chefs skillfully toss sizzling dishes, adding bold, tangy pickles for that perfect crunch. At lively family tables, laughter fills the air as everyone enjoys crisp, tangy pickles together. Pickles add a burst of zest and satisfying crunch, making every bite feel like a small celebration. Surprise! Pickles are packed with probiotics that help keep your gut healthy and happy. Our premium pickles come in sleek, stylish jars that brighten up any kitchen or dining table. Next time you're shopping, pick up a jar. Your taste buds and your digestion will thank you. Whether in salads or sandwiches, pickles bring exciting crunch and a tasty health boost. Thanks for watching. Stay crunchy, stay joyful, and don't forget to keep pickling. Share your wildest, most creative ideas in the comments below.